Hallo, this is Hans, the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the 10th largest city of the Netherlands, and is called Nijmegen. This is the way us Dutchies say Nijmegen. Nijmegen. There is a light emphasis on the first part. Nijmegen. Nij-megen. All the letters can be pronounced, but normally we will drop the last letter, the N. And yes, there is that famous Dutch almost at the end. Just keep trying. The Dutch really appreciate hearing that. Just imagine something is stuck in your throat. Nijmegen. I am going to visit Nijmegen. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out. Tot ziens!